Besides the two minors who are siblings to the first respondent, may also be in danger if the suspects are released. The investigations remaining also require substantial time to be completed. But to cap it all, the suspects say they have understood the application and they have no objection to that. So in the circumstances, I allow the application for remand as paid regarding the police stations indicated, and I remand them for a period of 14 days.